Here's an interesting app called PhotoDirector AI Photo Editor. So let's just get it and let's see how it works. So just double click to install it. PhotoDirector allows you to animate your photos with a range of AI-powered effects all in one place. Also, with just a few taps, easily remove unwanted object, magically change background, and edit photos for maximum creativity with out-of-this-world effects such as bokeh and dispersion. Wow, your photo edit just got bigger and bolder than ever. Whatever you want to create with your photos, PhotoDirector is one of the best free editing apps for pictures. Stylize, edit photos, and animate them all in one easy-to-use app. Incredible photo animation tools, animated decorations, animated overlay, animated dispersion. Use AI to create powerful edits, creative editing tools. So yeah, let's just take a look at that. You know, there are so many AI photo editing apps these days. So then, yeah, you can just tap get started. And usually these apps all use kind of similar filters, but sometimes they just have nice deals, all of these apps. And yeah, you can allow notifications. And then, yeah, this is the app, like removal. So let's try removal. I just want to add photos. So then you have some brush, whatever. So yes, something is happening here. Wait, so if I just have eraser. So yeah, something should happen here. It's not happening, but whatever. I mean, maybe it's just this filter is not working. Like, you need also to be quite skeptical. You know, there are so many apps like this in this category. Some of them are good, some of them are not that good yet. So let's just try it out. And then I just wanna like take, for example, some filters, some vintage filters, whatever, and then just apply them. And then, for example, AI outfit, which you can try. As you can see, I haven't upgraded yet. It's pretty cool. So far I'm using this app for free. But now it's ended. So now you need to, like, if you want to try different outfits, it's $2. 20 unique outfits, $3. 40 is like $5. That's what you can try here. So yeah, something around that. Then you just have all these additional camera settings. You can change quality, and then yeah, here you have monthly $7, yearly $29.99, and then there's 7-day free trial. So this app is kind of on the cheaper side. That's why, you know, it's quite high in the ratings. The cheapest apps in this category, I guess, they're just like from $20-ish per year up to like 100 plus. So this is definitely on the cheaper side. But as you can see, for me it's kind of a bit buggy, and I can't figure it out like in the first minute. Like usually I download a lot of apps, as you can see in my videos. And like usually if the app is designed really well and it works well, you don't even need my tutorials. Like you can easily just go and try the app instantly. Here it's another story. So yeah, anyhow, that's what it is.